Hi, I'm Jason. Today I'm filming on behalf of exportvillage.com. I'm making a necklace out of recyclable materials. We've got beads from a coax cable, a charm that used to have crossbones on it that was given to me. We've got wire that possibly came from a phone line. The clasp that we got from a paper clip. We've tied the knot in the wire on the end of the clasp. Now the next step you want to do is decide whether you want your beads to move freely on the wire, if you want them kept in place. That decision's all up to you. If you want them kept in place and you want them in the middle of the necklace, you're going to have to determine where the middle is going to be. By doing that, it takes a little bit more than just putting it out on the table and measuring the middle. It's not going to end up that way. You've got about 1/8 of an inch with this charm that will be taken up. Plus you've also got a knot to tie in the end still. So approximately another 1/8 of an inch. You're going to want to move about 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/2 of an inch of the wire, and that will be to the excess to the knot that has not been tied yet. That will be your center. With your marker, since this is just white, mark center on the wire so you know where it is. And it doesn't have to be exact. You'll be able to move it a little bit once it's in place, but you need to at least have a starting point. Otherwise, your necklace will be setting clear over here, or the clasp will be clear over on one side of your neck. So next I will show you how to keep beads in place if you want them in place, or let them move along freely on the wire.